icy green, lovely rose, and Madiba. These are a few of my favorite succulents. Now, that Madiba is just so gorgeous, and this is actually grown in the shade here because it's under the shelf. This shelf as well, I got this one from the reject shop. I've had it for about a year and a half or two, and look what's happening. It's all rusting up. Look at that. And the problem is it keeps dropping on my pretty plants, see, making a mess. So, and it's probably not good for it as well. Look at the gorgeous Echeveria Roma. Look at that gorgeous thing. I actually bought that before as Margaret Rose 2, and probably it's still Margaret Rose 2, but the way it's growing, I believe that is Roma, Echeveria Roma. Look, and it has remained. I actually done a video on this one of the videos when I picked this one up, or when I pluck it out from the shop when I got it from. But anyway, so it's raining again. Today is 29 degrees and raining. Yesterday we had 30 or 31. It was hot yesterday. I couldn't work in the garden. For one, it's a jungle out there. Anyway, ooh, there's a missing pot. I need to put a pot in there. Okay, how about let's put this pretty pot here. This is my Lena special. This was given to me by Lena Lee. I know there's a Donna. Oh, Donna. Ruby Donna, that's it, Ruby Donna. Oh my goodness. I'm forgetting my babies now. I'm sorry, it's because I haven't seen you for a while. And I forgets your name. Please don't forget me. I've got umbrella. I think I said this on a couple of videos ago. I haven't been working in the garden because our weather's really terrible. The last couple of years, I hardly done anything in the garden at all. My anything goes garden at the front hasn't been done. And look, I really need to do a bonsification video of this Echeveria starburst, but I couldn't even do that because I can't get out here. Look how tall the grass is. It kind of look nice, isn't it, with all that green and jungle, and weeds are growing tall, and I can't get it. Well, it's been raining, and the only time that it's not raining as well, I have to do other stuff. So therefore, I can't work in the garden. But anyway, oh, this is my Corderoyi crest. And this Corderoyi crest last year, I actually split it up and took some babies out of that. Look that beautiful. And the babies now have grown, and these are actually one of the babies from that. So look at that. So from that one crested one to this one, so also known as Echeveria agavoides Aquamarine, and there's two of them. Okie dokie. Oh, master pumice it says. So I use different soil mix. And what soil mix did I use on this one? Pumice. So this one is just pumice, and pumice, and this one is the master pumice. So instead of using my decomposed granite on this one, I use pumice. So I just want to see which one colors up better. Master succulent soil mix with all the trimmings and pumice, and that one is just coconut coir and pumice. I think that's what I've done with that one, and look at the difference in the color. So I don't know whether you can tell or not, but anyway, and it's so different compared to the mummy. The mummy is in master succulent soil mix, this one, because it is a small pot for the size of the plant. That's why I repotted it. So before I had an advanced soil mix in it, and it just remained small. So I thought, what would happen if I put it in my master succulent soil mix and also a combination with the ceramic pot, and they are growing so big. I've had this plant for about 3.5 years. This is one of the first few plants I have when I was growing succulents that I wanted. And about to pull this off, which I'm probably shouldn't, but anyway, I really need to pull that off because that is a sort of a fungus. That little white fluff there, I don't know, hang on, I'll take. I'm sorry. Okay, you have to, that is spores of some sort. So, fungus spores of something. This actually got a name that I saw online before, but anyway, I need to isolate this and put it in there. Okay, so last night I was watering. Look, I still got water from that. And okay, and I forgot what, oh, see, look, the worm. Oh, this is the problem. So I thought, look, another worm. Ah, die. Okay, so this is now the problem with the rain. It's just so conducive for the fungus to and also the insector to grow. And I've been meaning to separate all this. This is, how long have I had this? It's 110 plant hole. When was that? I think April last year. Is it last year? But anyway, I'm supposed to do a plant hole on this one. I mean, a repotting. See, I've got plant hole in the brain. I got a few plant holes to do. I was supposed to do some repotting of this one because they're really head-butting each other. See, look at this area here. My decora is being stifled. And I was just reviewing the videos yesterday and looking for plants to put in my pretty pots from Lane Lee collection. And this is a variegated red tip. And look what happened to it. It's grown all these little bumps. Oh my goodness. See, so, oh, it's still variegated, but if I take that out, pull that out, see the baby as well in the bottom is also variegated. If I take that out, then put it in a pretty pot, then I can better look after it. And also, this one is Empress, and my Empress, I don't know if it's very impressed with me right now or I'm impressed with it, but that one looks like it's variegating in the center as well. So I did not get that as a variegated plant, but it's variegating. So there is something in the soil that makes the plant variegate, and this one, White Storm Byakuran, is being affected by something, and I'm hoping now that this is just not a worm again, because if not, I have to really pull this out and propagate this before I lose the entire plant. Because the rain is just awful. It's just awful for a lot of plants. Because, and also, I believe also this one as well. See, it's all rusting. So the rust landing on the plant is not helping as well. Now, what are you? Snow peach. My snow peach as well, I need to propagate you. And I tried taking off, well, I did took off a leaf from that. And because it's summer right now, I don't think they like being propagated when it's hot. A friend of mine was asking me that the difference between Annette and Beverley. So this is Echeveria Annette. Okay, now this is my baby Beverley. This is actually a very old plant. So this is one of the first plant leaf propagated Beverley that I have. And the sibling of that one, see, look how small that is. Being covered. Use the thumb. Okay, so it's quite small and fat. That is the most beautiful Beverley I've got compared to the other Beverleys. By the way, this is the mummy Beverley that I was about to put in the garden. So this is my original Beverley. And look, it's all dry leaves in the bottom, and there's a baby. But this needs to be cleaned up. So I haven't actually cleaned this up since I bought it. So that's how I neglect my plants, because this one was right in the back. So I thought I'll take it out and put it in the garden now. But I can't put it in the garden if our weather is like this, hot, wet, and raining. I have to put the umbrella on because I'm getting wet and my camera's getting wet. So anyway, so this one as well, this is now another baby Beverley. So can you believe that's the same plant? So this one is a baby. This is a sibling of my fattest baby Beverley. And look at the difference. I got a few more somewhere if I can wrangle it. But anyway, so this one, what are you? you are Lilacina or something like that. But anyway, this one's gotta go in the garden. So we have been getting a lot of wet weather. So the soil doesn't need watering. And look what I saw. Look at that, the Pachytoides, Pachyveria Pachytoides, the variegation is just beautiful. That reminds me, I was talking about the Corderoyi, because I'm going to show you a Corderoyi that's going variegated, I think, on me. Anyway, it's not variegated until it variegates, but there's just a glimmer of hope of variegation. So that's what I'm counting on. So, but this one is sort of long and pointy compared to the other one. Okay, close off the umbrella, because I only got 2 hands. And that one is short and stumpy. Look at the difference. So how small that one is compared to this one. So that one is actually the same age as this one. So there's another one somewhere. There's 3 of them that I propagated from a leaf. So this one was grown from one leaf and another leaf somewhere that's also got a couple of plants in it. So I'm talking and I'm looking. But anyway, let's go move this one here. So I shouldn't be cleaning up when it's wet, because that's opening a wound, and that open wound is inviting disaster. Look at the Bernalense. Oh my goodness, you're so beautiful. I kid you not, even though it's not variegated. It's gorgeous. Takes my breath away. Take my breath away. Oh, it's going pink. Pink. It's just beautiful. So anyway, that's going to go in my wall garden. And I can't take them out now and transplant them, because with the wet and the heat of the sun, you're going to end up doing this. Water and rain and hot and cold is not good. They're going to boil and cook. So this pot here is really heavy. Yeah, it's going to boil, just like the rest of my Echeveria minima white. See that one there? Look, there's still one alive. This one, I haven't repotted this. I bought it like that. So look how bad that soil is. So those sandy, not good for it. So these ones, also these are my babies. Look, they're flowering and everything. So I have to put it here last week, because they were out in the open here and the sun is just terrible. So look at these ones as well. So this is what happens. I can't remember what you are now. I think this is Santa Luis. This one is a mundas that died from rotting, and then there's a few other plants in there that needs attending. So the weather is really bad, but if you have this right soil mix, so shallow, not deep. The deep ones right now, this is in my intermediate soil mix, is not good for the rain and the sun. My master succulent soil mix in the terracotta pot, they're all holding, they're all doing really well. So anyway, so these ones even here, they're all dried up. Even they actually need more watering. These are my Miranda, that's not coloring at the moment. And my Belladonna, look, it's lost its color because the sun hasn't been out for a while. So if you're wondering, how come my plants is not as colorful as what you see in my other videos right now, it's because the sun, we need the sun. And if the sun doesn't come out, then these belladonnas are not gonna color up. So they also will color up better when it's cold. So there's certain plants that colors up when it's hot, and there's some plants that colors up when it's cold. And also my Romeos, I am so proud of my Romeos. There's another Romeo baby in there growing. So those are from the beheading. Those are the baby Romeos now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I got about 11 baby Romeos produced. Or maybe this is, yeah, it's also a Romeo. I thought Taurus. Okay, hang on, I'll show you the Taurus. So those are 1, 2 are Taurus, the big ones. And the 1, 2, and 3 Romeos. And also I got some Parpasorum leaves here that looks like Romeo leaves, but it's not. Could have fooled me, but anyway. Oh, my Laui has recovered. Look, it's going fat again and white. So that is propagation cuttings from my mommy Laui, and then another one there that's also a cutting. And I kept forgetting the Corderoyi. These two are baby. Look, this is the crested one. So the mother looks like this before. So this is, okay, just in case it says Maria, because I also propagated the Golden Maria at the same time. So I'm just hoping that this one is a Corderoyi. There's one leaf there that's sort of going translucent, which we have to remove now, any translucency, because that would be mealybug normally. And okay, that's all right. And dry leaves and mealybugs, they don't mix. So anyway, that one's still good. See, look, there's only just another dry leaf there, and then I would say that's more mealybug than anything. And I'll put you there. And this one now, see, look what's happening from the top. The rust, it's not good for the plants from this metal. So I have to do something with this metal bit. So again, this is gonna be major work to take all the plants out of these shelves. So I've got a 1, 2, 3 main big shelves. So I have to empty. I'm gonna be super busy, which means I'm not gonna be able to do a lot of videos, consistent videos for a while. I won't be uploading videos. Oh, hang on. I just saw my Victoretta. Hello, variegated leaf. Look, the mother died, and because I beheaded it, and I'm looking for some other plants that were supposed to be here, but I can't find. But anyway, so that one is a red absinthe leaf grown, and that one is my variegated Victoretta. Look how beautiful. Orange Monroe variegated. And my cubic frost is recovering, my variegated cubic frost. And anyway, yeah, I kept forgetting Corderoyi or Aquamarine. I'm sorry. Very easy plant to grow. You just stick it there and then they grow. And this one looks like it's variegating. And see, there you go. So they are quite a beautiful plant. So that one, you can see that they're grown in the same area, but this one, see those white bits there? So it's coming from the center. So it's growing, hopefully, so that's what I was saying, hopefully it will variegate. And, oh, I just saw daddy long legs crawling. Hello, I'm sorry. On the side. Now, so this one looks like it's going to variegate for me. So I'm going to keep an eye on this one. So this one is growing. Oh, soups. I just said I'm going to keep an eye on you, and then I go bump you. Oh, bump. Yes, okay. So this video's got so much information now. Okay, now this is an rainbow sunset. Okay, so this is a rainbow sunset. And rainbow sunset goes really all red. It's beautiful during the summertime. And this one is showing bumps. Look at that. See, if I didn't have a label on this one, then I wouldn't know. I would think that it's raindrops, but it's a long raindrops. Look at that. But anyway, the mommy plant is this one here. See, so this is grown out in the open, and rainbow sunset. Now what do you call that? Oh, this just goes, this is a beautiful plant. So this one now, I'm ready to put this in the garden now, because it can survive, or it has survived many winters already, this particular plant in this pot. And this one now is propagated from that one, and I got a bump. So I've got a bumpy rainbow, and I'm just wondering if that's only one leaf or two. So another one here, because I saw this last night at 3 o'clock in the morning as I was watering this area. So anyway, yes, I don't sleep because I just keep uploading videos, and it's getting too much for me. So now I might have to, Golden Maria, I might have to slow down, or else I'm not gonna get anything done. I will be doing my garden at night time. With the light, I bought a really fancy high-powered LED light, $350, just so I can do my gardening at night, along with my mosquito coil, because there's so many mosquitoes at the moment. Now I've stocked up on mosquito coil, then I can do my gardening at night. So which means I won't be able to do regular videos for a while, and if I don't respond to my usual comment replies, please don't worry, I'm still alive. It's just I'm gonna be super busy because my plants really needs attending. See, even this one, this needs to go in the garden, and I just can't keep putting it off. And then that one at the top, it ended up with a whole lot of rust on top of it from the shelf, so I have to remove that. So, and also it's not only that, there's a lot of fungus and powdery mildew happening, going on everywhere at the moment here in Australia, because even the plants that I saw on my plant shopping are, a lot of them has got a lot of fungus. So anyway guys, that's all. This is long enough now. Too long. It's gonna take me a long time to edit this again, so haven't uploaded a couple of videos, couple of days, but it's just I'm flat out. And if I am gonna be erratic in the next few days or weeks in my uploads, please excuse me. Know that I'm still here. I'm just alive and kicking and working in the garden and other things, among other things that I need to do. Anyway, I've got my Hercules that I got from the garden. So cute, look at that, in this tiny little lanolin pot. There you go. I haven't done a video of this because I was busy. It takes a lot of effort for me to do a video because I have to prepare, I have to look at what needs to be done, and also I haven't made any soil mix for a while because of them fungus gnats. Them nuts. And okay, what are you? Graptoveria, silver stuff. I am forgetting the names, I'm telling you. Now that oh, look, my champagne, look how beautiful. My pink champagne, the flowers of the stalk. Okay, hang on, move over. There you go. My pink champagne is flowering. Where's the flower? There you go. It's orange and pink. The leaves, I need to harvest the leaves, see if they grow. And my white champagne is white. Hang on. Oh yuck, hang on. This okay, so the two of them, pink and white. White on the right and pink on the left. And look at their flower stalks. Their inflorescence are kissing as well. So anyway guys, that's all for now. And bifida flowering as well. I'll see you on the next video. So don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. I can't really sing properly because YouTube's gonna flag my video and I can't monetize it, which means I'm not gonna get paid for it, and then I can't buy plants. Okay guys, that's all for now, and I'll see you on the next video. Hoshikagi, you're beautiful. Hoshikagi, you have so many looks. I'll go 1 Hoshikagi, 2 Hoshikagi, and 3 Hoshikagi, and I got a couple more inside. Okay, bye for now. Really, it's really bye this time.